Hello and welcome. You're joining us on NewsX Influencer A-List. Our influencers for today have gained traction in a matter of months with viral content and influencing. And the art of inspiring people via social media is a tricky one, especially with the internet being an unpredictable space. But our influencers have proved that nothing is difficult when you're relentless, dedicated and honest towards your craft and your work. We have Mithika Dwivedi, a 16-year-old youth sensation, the prolific mentalist Akshay Lakshman, and a CA and founder of Ednovate, Dhaval Purohit. Listen in.
With 2 million followers in a matter of months.
2-3 हजार फॉलोअर हो जाएंगे, 5-6 हजार तो स्कूल के बच्चों में कूल हो जाएंगे। ये सोच के हमने रील्स बनाना स्टार्ट किया था, पर ये नहीं पता था कि इतने ज्यादा कूल हो जाएंगे।
She's redefining the growth curve on social media.
इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत लोग रील्स बना रहे हैं, बहुत लोग हैं जिनके बहुत ज्यादा फॉलोअर हैं, पर उन्होंने हमको सिलेक्ट किया। ये चीज मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी होगी।
NewsX Influencer A-List proudly recognizes Mithika Dwivedi for influence in comedy.
Hello and welcome. You're joining us on NewsX Influencer A-List. I'm Parati Bhanot, and with us today is a young achiever that most of you, I'm sure, have already seen on Instagram. But here is a chance to get to know her very closely and get to know about her life and her journey. Mithika Dwivedi is joining us on the broadcast, and Mithika now has 2 million followers. In 1 year, Mithika has grown to 2 million followers. People on Instagram our age, every person watching this, I'm pretty sure, has already seen some of her hilarious reels. And let's begin by asking Mithika firstly. Mithika, a very warm welcome to the show. Thank you so much for being on Influencer A-List. अपनी journey के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताओ. So I know that when you started from like a humble 6,000 followers, और अब आप 1 साल में 2 million पे हो. कितने followers थे जब आपने शुरू किया? और कैसा
मेरे
फेमस?
जब मेरी पहली रील आई थी तो मेरे 1000 फॉलोअर्स थे सितंबर में। इसके बाद मेरी 2-3 रीलें आई तो मेरे ज्यादा नहीं बढ़े, मेरे 1000 फॉलोअर होने में लग गए थे 1 महीने। इसके बाद सडनली बहुत तेजी से ग्रो किया हमने, और सितंबर लास्ट तक मेरे हो गए थे नहीं, नवंबर में मेरे 2000 फॉलोअर थे और दिसंबर में मेरे 10,000 फॉलोअर हो गए थे। तो इतनी जल्दी ग्रो करना स्टार्ट किया था। फिर वहां से तो एकदम ही।
तो Mithika, आप क्यों शुरू किया आपने रील्स बनाना? मतलब ऐसा क्या हुआ था कि यू सेड पढ़ाई छोड़ो, मैं अभी रील्स बनाऊंगी?
पढ़ाई छोड़ने वाला नहीं था, पढ़ाई हम वैसे भी उतनी करते नहीं थे, मतलब वो पढ़ाई लिखाई वाले बच्चे हम है नहीं। तो लॉकडाउन का टाइम था, बहुत खाली थे, बहुत ज्यादा ही खाली हो गए थे। तो हमने कहा चलो रील्स बनाई जाए। अब 2-3 हजार फॉलोअर हो जाएंगे, 5-6 हजार तो स्कूल के बच्चों में कूल हो जाएंगे। ये सोच के हमने रील्स बनाना स्टार्ट किया था, पर ये नहीं पता था कि इतने ज्यादा कूल हो जाएंगे कि 2 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स हो जाएंगे।
तो पहली रील कौन सी थी जो बनाई थी, जो मतलब वायरल हो गई थी?
मेरी पहली रील, जो मेरी बहुत पहली रील थी, वही उस पे ही 1 मिलियन व्यूज चले गए थे। वो रिश्तेदारों के ऊपर थी, और जो मेरी बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर हुई थी, जिसकी वजह से हमको बहुत फेम मिला, वो है मेरी बाजरे दा सिट्टा। बाजरे दा सिट्टा मेरी भी फेवरेट है और बहुत लोगों की फेवरेट है, तो वो मेरी लकी रील है, कह लीजिए।
तो हमको बताओ कि बाजरे की रील वाली जो सिक्का, बाजरे का सिक्का वाली जो रील थी, उसमें एग्जैक्टली था क्या? वाज इट अ स्पूफ? आप रोस्ट करे थे, वो था क्या एग्जैक्टली रील में?
वो रोस्ट ही थी, उसमें रोस्ट ही कर रहे थे। उसमें था कि बाजरे दा सिट्टा एकदम 1.5 महीने से परेशान कर दिया तुम लोगों ने, बाजरे दा सिट्टा कर करके। ये औरतें मिलके प्लानिंग करती हैं कि एक रील को, एक गाने को तब तक जिलाएंगे जब तक लोगों को रातों में डरावने सपने नहीं आने लगेंगे उस गाने के अगेंस्ट। ये रील थी, मतलब बेसिक ये था, बाकी 30 सेकंड एक्सटेंड करने कर ले जाते हैं।
तो अब तो आप मतलब बहुत टाइम स्पेंड करते होगे इंस्टाग्राम पे ना? नाउ तो यू आर अ फुल टाइम कंटेंट क्रिएटर। यू वर जस्ट सेइंग कि आप ऐसे बॉम्बे आना जाना लगा रहता है, तो पढ़ाई से तो फोकस थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट हो रहा होगा। पेरेंट्स को थोड़ा अनईजी फील हो रहा है कि हमारी बेटी अब मतलब इंस्टाग्राम पे खुद को दिखती रहती है और सेल्फी कैमरा ऑन करके बस खुद से ही बात करती रहती है?
नहीं, मेरी मम्मी, मेरे घर वालों को एकदम अजीब नहीं लगता है। और मेरी मम्मी, अगर हम सही बताएं, मेरी मम्मी मेरी सबसे बड़ी वाली फैन है, क्योंकि हम कोई भी स्टोरी लगाते हैं तो भले हम बगल ही में बैठे हैं, पर वो वही स्टोरी 50 बार मेरी बगल में बैठ के देखेंगे। और हम कोई भी रील डालते हैं तो मेरे आधे व्यूज तो लगता है वही कर देती है, इतनी बार वो रील देखती है मेरी, और हमको बहुत सपोर्ट करती है। अब तो इतना सपोर्ट हो गया है, और स्टार्टिंग में भी मेरी मम्मी ने रोका नहीं कुछ करने के लिए कि जो कर रही हो कर लो। और अगर वो हमको सपोर्ट ना करती तो हो सकता है हमको रील बनाना अलाउ नहीं किया जाता है कि क्या जोकराई कर रही हो इस सेंस में।
तो मम्मी तो सपोर्ट कर रही हैं, बहुत सारे लोग भी हैं जो सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, ऑब्वियसली 2 मिलियन लोग हैं अभी फिलहाल दैट आर लाइकिंग द कंटेंट दैट यू क्रिएट। मगर फिर ट्रोलर्स भी तो होते होंगे, हर इन्फ्लुएंसर को लोग होते हैं जो कि ट्रोल करते हैं। आपको ट्रोल करते हैं लोग इंस्टाग्राम पे, वैसे स्टूपिड कमेंट्स लिखते हैं, कैसा लगता है, कैसे डील करते हो?
हम ऐसा कुछ पहले हमको जब मेरे 1 मिलियन फॉलोअर हुए थे तब ये स्टार्ट हुआ था। उसके पहले हम कोई ट्रोल नहीं किया गया, सब बहुत स्मूथली जा रहा था। हमको लगा यार ये बढ़िया तो है एकदम, हमको पता ही नहीं था कि यहाँ भी लोग टॉक्सिक लोग हैं, हमको ये नहीं आइडिया था। फिर अचानक से एक टाइम आया कि अचानक से मतलब ऐसा लग गया कि मेरे ऊपर क्रिंज का टैग लगा दिया गया लोगों के, कुछ लोगों ने। तो उस टाइम पे बड़ा दुखी फील हुआ। पर उसकी वजह से मेरे 1 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स थे और इतना हमको ट्रोल किया गया कि मेरे 1.6 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स हो गए। तो फिर जब मेरे फॉलोअर्स अप्रूव कर रहे हैं तो हमको लग रहा है यार कोई ट्रोल कर दे थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि उससे आपकी ही रीच बढ़ रही है। अब हमको कुछ दुख वुख नहीं होता है देख के। और जहां तक कि कमेंट्स की बात है तो हमको लगता है कि जो कमेंट कर रहा है वो खुद ही अपनी जिंदगी से फ्रस्ट्रेटेड है, तो कहीं आके भड़ास निकालना है तो निकाल लेने दो।
So that is a very mature way of looking at it. और मीतिका ऑफ कोर्स अब पेरेंट्स, आपने प्रेस की बोला, आप मुझे बता रहे थे कि शुरू में मतलब पेरेंट्स वर लिटिल बिट के पता नहीं अब ये करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए. द फैक्ट दैट योर मदर हैज नाउ बिकम योर बिगेस्ट चीयर लीडर, इट ऑल्सो कम्स फ्रॉम द फैक्ट दैट आपको इतना रिकग्निशन मिल रहा है, नॉट जस्ट ऑनलाइन बट ऑल्सो ऑफलाइन, करेक्ट? क्योंकि इंस्टाग्राम की जो वी आर इन द मेकिंग कैंपेन है उसमें आपको सिलेक्ट किया गया एज वन ऑफ द ओनली 5 इन्फ्लुएंसर्स जो कि ग्रो कर रहे हैं इतने शॉर्ट पीरियड में इतना ज्यादा। तो हमको बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ कैंपेन्स लाइक दैट पर्टिकुलर कैंपेन, उसके बारे में थोड़ा और बताओ, कैसा लगता है जब ऐसे रिकग्निशन मिलता है इंस्टाग्राम से या दूसरे ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म से?
इंस्टाग्राम ने पहली बार ऐसे कोई कैंपेन किया था इंडिया में और उसमें हमको सेलेक्ट किया। मतलब कि ये बहुत बड़ी चीज हो गई थी उस टाइम पे कि जिस प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम काम कर रहे हैं, मतलब इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत लोग रील्स बना रहे हैं, बहुत लोग हैं जिनके बहुत ज्यादा फॉलोअर हैं, पर उन्होंने हमको सेलेक्ट किया। ये चीज मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी हो गई थी। मेरे घर वाले भी एकदम ग्लैड हो गए थे कि अरे इंस्टाग्राम बुलाया है, मतलब एकदम खुशी का माहौल हो गया था। अगर मिठाइयां नहीं बांटी गई हैं वही गनीमत है समझ लीजिए। तो घर वाले ऐसी छोटी छोटी जैसे इंस्टाग्राम में बुलाए बहुत बड़ी चीज हो गई थी, तो घर वाले ऐसी सब चीजों को लेके ही बहुत सपोर्टिव हो गए थे। मेरे घर वाले स्टार्टिंग से सपोर्टिव हैं, पर वो एक कहीं ना कहीं एक पार्ट रहता है कि कहीं ये गलत तो नहीं हो रहा है। तो मेरे बाकी घर वाले तो उतना ध्यान ही नहीं देते मेरे ऊपर, पर मम्मी थोड़ी कंसर्न हो गई थी कि यार कि गलत तो नहीं कर रही है यार, मतलब कि अपनी इमेज तो नहीं खराब कर लोगी ये सब के चलते हुए। क्योंकि हमने सिंगिंग मेरी बहुत, हम 7-8 साल से सिंगिंग सीख रहे हैं, तो मेरी मम्मी को लगा था, हम स्टेज परफॉर्मेंसेस करते थे, तो मम्मी को लगा था कि अगर हम इंस्टा चलाएंगे तो कहीं स्टेज वाली इमेज बिगड़ ना जाए इस सब के चलते हुए। पर खैर उन्होंने रोका नहीं, उन्होंने कहा जो माने वो करो, बस ध्यान रखना इस चीज का। तो
ठीक है। तो अमितिका मुझे फिर एक बात बताओ कि अब आपने बोला कि मम्मी को लग रहा था कि आप ऑन स्टेज जाके सिंगिंग करोगे, पर अब तो आप ऑन स्टेज जाके कॉमेडी करने के लिए सेट हो, है ना? तो अब हैव यू ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड डूइंग इट या फिर अब शुरू करने वाले हो कॉमेडी ऑफलाइन? क्या सिचुएशन है? व्हेन कैन आई एक्सपेक्ट टू बाय टिकट्स टू गो एंड सी मिथिका द्विवेदी ऑन स्टेज?
हमने मेरा 1-2 हफ्ते पहले ही हमने एक स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी के शो में ओपन किया है। हर्ष गुजराल जो बहुत फेमस स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन है, उनके शो में हमने ओपन किया था 5 से 10 मिनट। तो वो काफी मेरा अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा था, उनके बहुत सीख मिली हमको कि कैसे हैंडल करते हैं स्टेज। क्योंकि अभी आप स्क्रीन के इस तरफ बैठ के वीडियो बना रहे हैं, आप 50 रीटेक ले सकते हैं, पर अगर आप ऑन स्टेज जाके कुछ कर रहे हैं रीटेक नहीं हो सकता है। जो गलती कर रहे हैं वो 50 लोग सामने बैठ के देख रहे हैं और सामने से जो रिव्यू आ रहा है वो तुरंत आपके मुंह पे आ रहा है। ये नहीं है कि मतलब फिर डाल दी फिर 2 घंटे बाद देख रहे हैं, तुरंत मुंह पे आ रहा है। तो बहुत सारी चीजें सीखने को मिली और होपफुली आप हमको 1-2 साल में स्टेज पे देखेंगी।
Inshallah, I hope so for you, especially because you're so special and you've achieved so much at such a young age, Mithika. More power to you. तो Mithika, before we let you go, एक आखिरी सवाल, as a young content creator, ऐसी क्या क्या problems थे जो कि आपने face करे, जो कि दूसरे यंग कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स को आप बताना चाहोगे, जस्ट टू लाइक टेल देम कि अच्छा देखो ये हो सकता है बॉस?
सबसे पहले तो आपकी बहुत यंग एज में फ्रीडम छीन ली जाती है। आप कुछ भी कर रहे होते हैं, आप लोगों की नजरों में होते हैं और आपको बहुत जल्दी बहुत सारी चीजें सीखनी पड़ती हैं कि जैसे मेरे 1000 फॉलोअर से 2 मिलियन फॉलोअर 1 साल के बीच में हुए। तो हमें बहुत सारी चीजें बहुत कम टाइम में सीखनी पड़ी कि ये गलती नहीं करनी है, ये भी नहीं करनी है, ये भी नहीं करनी है, वरना दिक्कत हो जाएगी। तो ये सबसे डिफिकल्ट पार्ट था। और फ्रीडम जाने का तो इतना दुख होता है मुझे कि मैं क्या बताऊं।
तो फ्रीडम जाने का इन व्हाट सेंस फ्रीडम गया?
फ्रीडम मतलब आप कुछ भी कर रहे हैं। एक नॉर्मल बच्चा कोई गलती करेगा, एक नॉर्मल बच्चा अगर फेल हो जाएगा तो दुनिया उतना ध्यान नहीं देगी, और अगर हम फेल हो जाएंगे तो वो पेपरों में छप जाएगा कि मिथका द्विवेदी हुई क्लास 12th में फेल। तो ये बहुत डिस्टर्बिंग चीज होती है कि आप अच्छा काम करेंगे, लैमलाइट में हो सकता है ना है, पर अगर आपने कुछ गलत कर दिया तो आप सुर्खियों में रहेंगे फिर, और पूरी जनता आपको जानेगी कि हाँ इसने ये गलत किया है। ये दिक्कत रहती है।
Thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast. It's been an absolute pleasure having you, and keep shining.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
A stellar performer and mentalist.
If you want to increase that, you need to make sure that more and more people know about you.
Yeah.
That this is what you do, you're good at this, and you would be at their service at any point.
His journey is nothing less than inspirational.
You need to be great at something or a master of something. You need to make sure people know about it. That's all there is to.
NewsX influencer A-list proudly recognizes Akshay Lakshman for influence in mentalism.
Hello and welcome. You're joining us on NewsX Influencer A-List. I'm Parati Bhanot, and with us today we have a content creator. He's a magician, but he's now viral content. Thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast, Akshay, and it's been a pleasure to have you. If you can just begin by telling us, Akshay, the viral video that we were just talking about of you on Dance Divana with Nora Fatehi that has now gone absolutely viral, and how many views has it gotten so far? Because last I think you said 10 million. How many views?
Yeah, it's crossed 11 million or so.
And then you did a small act with Nora Fateh Ali Khan, which was a 4 to 5 minute video you were telling us.
Correct.
It has more than 11 million views. What was this act, Akshay? What was the act that you performed with Nora?
This is Nora. This is the doll. So I would tase the doll with, some electric current or something like that. And Nora would feel it over here. She will feel the electric current on her body.
Wow.
So that was the idea. So the basic act is where I touch someone on the shoulder, someone else feels it. So we wanted to take it a step forward. Like, how can we make it, something more? So,
man. So tell me something, often we think that being viral means it's going to be a stroke of luck. One day you're just going to somehow go viral. But that's not how it is, right? It takes a lot of hard work, persistence. How did you kind of pull that luck into your life?
A lot of people think luck is something that just happens to you with you doing nothing. And that's not how it works. Anybody who's been lucky, if you notice there's something common in everyone, is that they were good at something and someone knew that they existed.
Yeah.
Like someone who could use them knew that they existed. Now, if you want to increase your luck or increase your chances, I should use the word chances, not really luck as such. If you want to increase that, you need to make sure that more and more people know about you. That this is what you do, you're good at this, and you would be at their service at any point. You're the master of this one thing. I think luck has got a lot to do with your own positivity and optimism when it comes to, giving those vibes to people. In my corporate industry as well, I make sure once, my show is done, people come to meet me. I don't shun them off. I don't shut them out. I meet them. So you need to be great at something or a master of something. You need to make sure people know about it. That's all there is to, when it comes to luck, that's all there is to it. When it comes to being viral, for example, I must have put out, I don't know how many, at least 20 or more videos with celebrities, out there, which includes Shah Rukh Khan, which includes Shah Rukh, which includes Amir Khan, which includes Raju Hirani, which includes Sanjay Dutt, Vidya Balan. I've been putting those for years now, and it's not like there are some grainy cell phone videos. They're proper high definition, good, good sounding videos as well. But this is the one which struck a chord with people because Nora in today's date is more relevant with the youth, with the social media world. So it just struck a chord with them. right place at the right time.
Yeah, good content, and also because now you have so many people that have already, seen you. So then they
Right.
they kind of relate you to, acha, okay, I have seen this person in that XYZ video, and so they would
Episode.
want to
Yeah.
see their full video. So, what is it like being viral? Because now you everybody is watching your face. Are you being trolled? What is it like to be?
Oh, a lot. I'm so glad, Paridhi, you asked this question. Are you being trolled? If you go on my video ever, if you type Nora Fateh Akshay Lakshman on Instagram, you see a video. You read the comments. Most of the comments say scripted. ये scripted है भाई. Acting का 50 रुपया काटो, overacting का ये काटो. You know whatever. There are memers and there are trollers, which I am okay with. There are people who are guessing how the trick is done. There are a lot of people, like, there's some people say, I don't want to give out what their suggestions are, but yeah, there are various guesses on this is probably how it works. This is probably how it works. I'm okay with that as well. What I'm not okay with is where people turn it into something religious. Not in particular any one religion, just religious, or call it black magic, because it's none of that.
Before we let you go, Akshay, I would like to open the floor, the screen to you. Why don't you perform a small magic trick for us? Because it wouldn't be fair to have a magician on the show and not have him perform.
Okay, cool. So I'm going to do something which I'm very proud of. So this is something that's completely original. So me and my two partners, we came up with this. So I'm going to show you this right now. Okay. So I have this blindfold over here. You see this? It's basically a see-through sellotape. Yeah. Now the reason I'm using this is because if I place this on my eyes, you can see that my eyes are shut. They are glued shut. If I place a cloth, you might have, there's a room for skepticism.
Yeah.
Now there's completely skepticism free. Tell me, do you have another phone on you at this point?
I have my phone with
you. Do. Just open your calculator on your phone right now.
Okay.
Okay. And turn it horizontal. Yeah. Rotate your phone so that, yeah, just turn it horizontally. Okay. So that, yeah, is the screen rotation on? Perfect. Now don't show the screen to me from this point. Okay. Don't show the screen to me. Okay. Now look at this. I'm going to first blindfold myself and then we are going to move forward. All right. So check this out, Paridhi. Make sure that my eyes are getting glued.
I'm worried about his well-being, but we will roll with this. Yes.
You're worried about what?
Your eyes' well-being, but we will roll with this.
Yeah, this is the brand new Mallard vaccine that we have come up with. Okay, check this out. All right. Now make sure that my eyes are glued shut. Can you see that?
Yes, absolutely glued shut.
Okay. Now there's no way that I can open my eyes. Let me try and avoid cutting my hair right now. Okay. All right. So Paridhi, you're absolutely sure I cannot see anything, right?
Yes, absolutely. 100%.
Okay. And my hands are here in full view. All right. So Paridhi, here's the thing. What I want you to also make sure is that I'm not wearing any earpieces. Can you see that?
Not. Yes.
Yeah, I'm not wearing any earpieces, nothing, no AirPods, no headphones.
Yes.
All right. My eyes are shut and I am not wearing anything in my ears.
Yeah.
Paridhi, here's the thing. Give me a random 5-digit number.
Random?
Or maybe 6-digit. Give me a random 6-digit number. 6-digit number.
Okay.
Just say it out loud.
Okay. 260893.
260893.
Correct.
Okay. Enter that on your phone. 260893. Okay. Have you entered that?
Yes.
Okay. Now I want you to multiply. Hit multiply.
Okay.
Okay. Now give me another random number. 5-digit, 6-digit, your choice.
Okay. I'll give you a 4-digit number.
Okay.
Does it work if I give you a 4-digit number?
Yeah. Give me anything. Yeah.
All right. 2608.
Okay. Enter 2608.
Okay.
And hit equals to.
Okay.
Now that's a very long, complicated number, right? In front of you right now.
Yes. Can
okay.
I now, what the number is?
Or what did you say?
Can we show the viewers what the number is, or do we
Don't
wait?
show it to them. Don't show it to them yet. Don't show it to them yet.
All right.
Show it to them later, because I don't want you to show the numbers to the screen.
Okay.
Okay. You have a long answer in front of you, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want me to tell you the answer from left to right, the way it's generally said, or right to left, something more difficult?
Yeah, why don't you go right to left?
Right to left? Okay. So your numbers, your final answer, right to left, is 449 8040 86.
Wow.
Am I right?
That is indeed the number.
Okay, show the numbers to the people over there so that people can see that that's actually the answer. Now, Paridi, very quickly, do you have any object near you that you can show on the screen? You can keep your phone down. Any object that you can show it on the screen right now?
Yes.
Okay, don't tell me what's the object. Just show it to the camera so that people can see.
All right. I'm showing the object.
Okay. Now, here's the thing. You could have picked any object, right? I want you to focus on the object, what it's made of, what it looks like, what is the shape, etc. Okay, I see I have a feeling I can see multiple shapes right now. It's not just one shape. There are maybe 2 or 3 shapes, if I'm not wrong. Am I correct?
Yes.
I see a straight line. Actually, I see 2 straight lines.
Yes.
And I see something like a hyphen, but a curved hyphen. I don't know what's this. I see something like a circle or an oval shape. This is, did you just choose to pick up eyeglasses or something like that?
Yes, they are my eyeglasses. Yes, they're
the spectacles.
How are you doing this? This is insane. I can see your eyes glued shut.
Check this out.
They are
absolutely
glued shut. Insane.
Thank you so much. Oh, you're still here.
Amazing.
Thank you.
It's really well.
Thank you, Paridi.
So much, Lakshay, for being on Influencer A-List. We will never be able to figure out how you do your magic, but hoping that you rise, shine, and more power to you, Lakshman.
A chartered accountant, entrepreneur, and professor.
One big thing Ednovate have started is to wash out this myth which you are actually saying about the CS students.
His tryst with social media is astounding.
You know, if we can put in educational content in slightly funny way, slightly energetic way, that I think can possibly again bring the change.
NewsX Influencer A-List proudly recognizes Dhaval Purohit for influence in EdTech.
Hello and welcome. You're joining us on NewsX Influencer A-List. I'm Parati Bhanot, and with us today is Professor Dhaval Purohit. Now, Professor Dhaval is a chartered accountant by profession, but he has 11,700 followers on Instagram. And all of this was made possible because of one viral video that turned the tables for his Instagram and on his Instagram journey. Now, Professor Dhaval, you're also, a professor. You're also the founding member of Ednovate. There are so many tasks that you're juggling with, but now there's one more task, being an influencer. Tell us a little bit firstly about your journey so far. And, where did you start from and what it was like to become a chartered accountant? Usse shuru karte hain.
See, I'll basically start, I'll be honest with you. So I have started my journey from a very small house, and I have a very poor background. And my father was a milkman. And I still remember, before attending my final CA classes, I used to go and deliver milk at 6 to 7 houses. And from there, I used to attend lectures. So I remember studying from there. My father had been delivering milk, and I was always into one fact that these big houses where my father goes and deliver milk, I want to ensure, I gift my parents that house. I want to make sure that my parents live this life. From there, I was very clear that, Dhaval, you want to become something in life. And that's where my focus towards education increased. I became a chartered accountant at the age of 22. And since then, when I was studying myself, I realized that, there are so many things we can do in education system. And that's the best way I think we can help or maybe give back to the nation. That's how I entered. I cleared in at the age of 22. And from the very same date, means I qualified and started teaching aspiring chartered accountant in the very same year. And since then, this is the journey you can see. So I'm teaching CA students since last 10 years. For past 8 years, I was working somewhere. But then we realized, Dhaval, that if you really want to make the change in the system, then might as well you will have to get out of that and start your own venture. So I got my all teammates, all my like-minded professors. We came together, and there was a tough journey starting this Ednovate. Let me be very honest. We were forced not to start, but we were very clear that come what may, we will be on it, and we will make sure that we are being available for the student. And we started Ednovate.
So what do you do? Now, what does Ednovate do? How are you helping, budding chartered accountants? Because it's a known fact that being a chartered accountant is not easy. It's one of the toughest courses that exist out there, especially for students with a commerce background. CA is like, it's like the peak. It's like your Mount Everest. How is it that you are helping young budding chartered accountants?
So let me be honest. The one big thing Ednovate have started is to wash out this myth which you are actually saying about the CS students. Every time somebody talks about being a chartered accountant, why is it always, we put it up that it is the toughest degree? Why nobody understand that it is not being tough? It is about, understanding your concepts clear. It is about getting those right teacher. And once you know your concepts clear, come what may, it's like any other exam. Yes, it is challenging. I would not say it is a challenging. But at Ednovate, the one big thing which we try to turn the table is, we want people to understand that doing CA is not difficult. Yes, it has its prerequisites. At times, students miss out on those prerequisites. So we be there, we be behind the students, we push students to ensure that, their concepts are clear, they are writing good number of test papers, and everything which needs them to clear. So I just want to bring one change. I'll be very happy next time I'm doing interview with you. You are saying, sir, you proved it that CA is not the tough degree. That is what Ednovate all for.
Absolutely. I hope so. I really hope so, Professor Dhaval. It's really going to make the lives easier for so many young students who want to be chartered accountants, but don't, because there's a certain hesitation that comes in, because it's this general idea. So, let's quickly, I'm going to come back to Ednovate, but first I want to talk a little bit about your social media journey, because that is very intriguing. So you have currently 11.7 thousand followers on Instagram. But from what I understand, about a week back, 10 days back, this was not the case. So how is it that you have, so tell us first, Professor Dhaval, how many followers did you have a week ago? How many you have now, and why?
So I'll tell you, it was around 5,200 approx followers I had, which were my past students and maybe some friends and families. I used to always keep some motivating post on my Instagram handle, but that used to reach out to my existing students who have studied under me or so on. Now this one video got viral, and let me tell you honestly, I had no clue about this getting viral. So from somewhere, this was a part of my lecture. We'll come back onto that later. It got viral, every day, every following day, 500, 600 followers are increasing. And this is just 7-8 days from 5,200. It was originally 11,600 in the morning. I don't know, you are saying 11,700. So I got to believe you. I had no time seeing my account. I was busy taking lecture that time.
Okay, so what was this video, Professor Dhaval, that went viral? It was, why don't you tell us? I know what the video was, but for our viewers, why don't you tell us what this video was?
So I'll tell you one thing, means at Ednovate, we always believe, as I told you, that bringing in change, the first thing which we do is, since it's a lockdown, the students have faced a lot of problems interacting with the teachers. So when we started with this Ednovate, we kept a live platform wherein all the students sitting in any part of the country, they can interact with the teacher. And there happened to be one wrong answer in my class. So one student was not able to get the answer. And I realized that he have took some wrong number of months for the quarter. And that's where I asked him, एक quarter में कितना होता है? And that's when I'm asking Hetwik, tell me how much is there in one quarter? And there he writes 30 ml. And I was like, what? How do you? So it was an extract from one of my video, one of my lectures. So some student would have just, took that extract from the lecture and he made it viral. He just shared it with someone, and then someone, then someone, then someone.
Has it blown your mind, Professor Dhawal, कि मतलब in 7-8 days from 5,000 to 11,000, and I don't kid you, 700, not 600, 11,700. Does it blow your mind sometimes? Are you just like, what is happening?
Absolutely. So means basically being an Instagram user, you've been always following people, you've been seeing their followers. You know, that is the first thing when you go to some influencer's account or when you visit somebody's account, the first thing you do is how many followers that person has. And you would not imagine was you would be there at one day and you would be growing at that pace. So definitely it is a completely different experience. So many people, and the best part, you know, so many people try to reach out. I've got some of the best messages. Sir, I'm an engineering student. I don't know anything about CA, but after watching your video, after watching your other videos, I want to do CA. And that's where I believe that, you know, I've started my journey as an influencer too.
Absolutely. So, you know, Professor Dhawal, now, you know, we've had a very fun conversation. I'm going to make it a little bit serious, not very serious, just a little bit. Now, you know, you've said that you always wanted to bring about change. At this point, and allow me to say so, this is probably the peak of it, right? Because you're growing at an unprecedented rate. So the kind of reach to inflict change now you have. Maybe 8 days ago, you didn't have that kind of reach. Today, you have it. What is it now that you think you will do after getting all these followers on Instagram? What is the next step now?
So my next step is, which I want to keep it very simple. Like I have always, this is only 1% of my lecture. What you have seen outside is 1% of my lecture. So I've decided from my platform, I want to deliver a content wherein I can inspire a lot of young people. I can inspire a lot of people to start falling in love with the life, to start falling in love with the education system. And once people start falling in love with the education system, then I believe possible change is what we can expect.
So you're also a professor, you also teach at universities. So do you then think that Instagram is a good medium to educate people also? I mean, offline, of course, Hamesha say traditionally we've gone for the offline medium, right? A classroom, a teacher, a lecture. But do you think that social media is here to change that? And maybe we can use platforms such as Instagram to our advantage to spread the word about how education is easy and how education is important.
Absolutely. And not only, I would like to add it to it, it is not only a platform, it is one of the most important platform in today's generation. Like if you see with this Instagram Reels coming into the picture, that how students, how the people in general want to see a small content. And with this small content, how much more we can deliver. That is what Instagram have taught us, you know, that speak less and try to make a maximum awareness. So I would like to add to you, not only it's a platform, Instagram is not only a platform, it's one of the most important platform which not teachers, so many others influencers should start using it and try to pass on the message to the larger, usually you see a lot of funny content coming in. But more than funny content, if we can put in educational content in slightly funny way, slightly energetic way, that I think what can possibly again bring the change.
Absolutely. And more power to you, Professor Dhawal. Hopefully, by the time that this interview goes on air, you have close to 12,000 followers. We will wish that for you. Thank you so much for joining us on NewsX Influencer A-List. It's been an absolute pleasure to have you, and more power to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was nice talking to you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.